This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pry the outer retaining tab up on the wiper blade. Disengage the inner tab and push the wiper blade further into the arm. Swivel the wiper blade as necessary and remove it. Install the new wiper blade at the angle shown to allow the hook on the arm to fit into the blade housing. Swivel the blade down and into place, then pull the blade outward to snap the wiper blade onto the arm. Secure the wiper blade by pushing the outer retaining tab into place.